Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that securely managing your assets is key. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Ethereum from your Tangem wallet to Kucoin. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up and connected. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your smartphone and pair it with your hardware wallet. This adds an extra layer of security, which is crucial in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Open the Tangem app and unlock your wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to the Ethereum section where your ETH is stored. You'll see your balance right there. Exciting, right? Next, select the Send or Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which in this case is your Kucoin deposit address. Head over to your Kucoin account on another device, go to the deposit page for Ethereum, and copy that address. Double check it to avoid any mishaps. We don't want your ETH going astray. Now, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, as Ethereum transactions can vary based on congestion. In 2025, with upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, fees are more predictable, but it's always smart to check current rates. Once everything looks good, review the transaction details. Hit Confirm on your Tangem device. You'll get a prompt to approve it physically for that added security. After confirmation, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Kucoin account to confirm the deposit. A quick tip: always use a secure network, like your home Wi-Fi, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Kucoin's support has improved a lot, so reach out if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Ethereum to Kucoin. This method keeps your funds safe while giving you easy access to trading. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.